Students, if we want to conserve, if we want to protect our environment, our natural environment, then there should be some activities, some practices that should be followed by us. Okay, and so that's why we are including eco-friendly practices, which is useful to our environment. Mean by which our environment will not get polluted. So from many years, 3Rs formula is being used. People are following 3Rs formula. What is 3Rs mean? 1, 2, 3. These three. So first is reduce, second is reuse, and third is recycle. These three are called as 3Rs formula. Okay. Like first is reduce. Reduce करना mean to lessen, कम करना किसी चीज को. So first is how can you reduce the things, mean how can you make the less use of the things. So first, buy or use fewer things. You should purchase only those things which are required, which are most required. Okay, and extra things they can be neglected. And next is avoid using plastic bags. जितना हो सके उतना प्लास्टिक बैग्स को अवॉइड कीजिए, ना उसको यूज करना कम कर दीजिए. Why? Because it is not useful. It is very harmful for us. Next is don't use firecrackers. Reduce कर दीजिए इसे भी. If you are using firecrackers on the festivals, so reduce this thing. And next is turn on tap when not in use. If you're brushing your teeth, if you are in your washroom, in your bathroom, and there is no use of water, then please turn off the tap. So turn off the tap when not in use. Next, avoid driving, encourage cycling. इसको driving को कम किया जाए. If you want to go nearby places, you can reduce this thing, this activity. You should use cycles. Okay, so encourage cycling. Avoid using horn frequently. इस चीज को भी कम किया जाए, efforts किए जाए. Why? Because it causes noise pollution. So avoid using horns frequently. Frequently mean many times. And next is reuse. Reuse मतलब उस चीज को फिर से यूज करना. So use cutlery instead of disposable plastic items. अब कुछ प्लास्टिक आइटम्स हैं, लाइक मैरिजेस में हो सकते हैं या कहीं भी आसपास कुछ प्रोग्राम होता है तो डिस्पोजेबल आइटम्स होते हैं वहाँ, लाइक प्लेट्स हो गई, स्पून हो गया, ग्लास हो गया. सो वी शुड यूज कटलरी इंस्टेड ऑफ देम. व्हाट इज कटलरी? वी कैन से कि जो स्टील के हो गए, जो प्लेट्स हो गई, बाउल हो गए या फिर ग्लासेस हो गए, वी कैन इंक्लूड दैम. So next is use refillable containers. Refillable mean which can be refilled, like water bottles and tin cans और can वगैरह जिसको हम वापस उसको refill कर सकते हैं. We can use these and they can be reused. And reuse gift covers. There are so many occasions on which you used to buy gift. You use to buy gift covers, and at that time you can keep them safe with you, and after that whenever you are using them, you want to use them, you can make them use if they are in a good condition, so you can reuse them also. Next is avoid paper wasting. Don't waste the paper. Okay, so avoid paper wasting. And how can you avoid? By writing on the both sides of the page. Okay, now there is an example. What is the reuse? What is the example of reuse? Suppose you have your previous year's notebook and there are so many pages left in that notebook. So now you will be thinking, now it is waste because the session is over. That year is completed and now you are in the next session, you are in the next class. But you can reuse that notebook for your classwork. Okay. By doing this, you can avoid wasting paper. So these were the examples. These were the some examples of reusing the things. Next is recycle. Recycle means to make the new thing by using the older one. Okay, to make new things by using the old one. So first is use diaries or greeting cards made with hand. Next is मेक अट्रैक्टिव थिंग्स बाय यूजिंग वेस्ट मटेरियल. हमेशा आपको स्कूल में भी कई कॉम्पिटिशन्स होते हैं और उन कंपटीशन में यही बोला जाता है कि यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर समथिंग यूजफुल, समथिंग इम्पोर्टेंट विद द हेल्प ऑफ वेस्ट मटेरियल. सो यू कैन यूज वेस्ट मटेरियल इन अट्रैक्टिव वेज टू मेक अट्रैक्टिव थिंग्स. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इज सेल ओल्ड बैटरीज. जो ओल्ड बैटरीज है उसको सेल कर दिया जाए ताकि उसको आगे किसी न किसी काम के लिए उसको यूज किया जा सके. सो डिस्पोज गार्बेज एप्रोप्रिएटली इन द डिफरेंट बीन्स. अगर उसको अलग अलग बीन्स में कर देंगे, नॉन बायोडिग्रेडेबल और बायोडिग्रेडेबल. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड अबाउट दीज टू बीन्स इन दिस चैप्टर. वी हैव डिस्कस्ड. So you should dispose garbage appropriately in the particular bin. That's why if something is useful which is in the dustbin, which is in the bin, and it can be reused or it can be recycled, then it can be picked up from that easily. So this helps in recycling. And in recent years, in these years, people add a fourth R in this 3Rs formula. Okay, and that fourth R is refuse. What is refuse? Refuse means say no. You should say no to the things that harm our environment, which is harmful for our environment. So there is a need to get together to conserve our environment or to improve our environment. When we all are together and we all are making efforts and we are using this 3Rs formula or this fourth R also, then obviously there will be something good, and then obviously we can conserve our environment or we can make our environment clean. Students, I hope this chapter is clear to you all. If you have any doubt, any topic, any point which is left in this chapter, then please go through the books and read the chapter, and then be more confident and be more clear about the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.